Coffee products not working out for you? Coffee shops just not hitting the mark? Introducing the Clever Brewing Method. This brewing design method features medium roasted guatemalan beans that are brewed through a Clever Coffee Brewer. If you're looking for a citrus flavored coffee that has the perfect balance of bitter and sweet flavors, a smooth body that is palatable, and fruity aromas, all of this while minimizing energy usage, you've stumbled on the right video. The Clever method consists of various unit operations, with each one having its own respective mass transfer and balances. Today we'll be going through the entire process of the Clever brewing method to convert 95 grams of green beans into approximately 1 liter of coffee.
The Clever coffee method is the best method ever. It's changed my perspective on coffee forever.
Getting your perfect 1 liter of coffee is easy, and it starts with roasting 95 grams of guatemalan beans. Take these beans and deposit them into your fresh roaster. On the roaster's command menu, input 4.2 minutes for the roasting time. This should not use up too much energy ideally, as this will be a light medium roast and the beans will be taken out prior to the roaster's cooling process. When a letter C pops up on the menu, disconnect the roaster from its power source and lay out the beans on top of a cool surface. Because the beans are cooled with the ambient air, energy usage by the roaster is avoided, which allows us to minimize energy. Once the beans are cooled, place them into a lock seal bag and store them inside a room temperature container overnight to allow the aromas and chemical compositions to develop. After the storing process, it's time to grind the beans. Set the grind size on the grinder to 10. This will allow for the finer grinds of the coffee beans to have more surface area to be exposed to water extraction and ultimately a better body and taste to your coffee. "17.5 grams of coffee grounds will be used per brew. We will be splitting up the brew into 2 sessions, with each session consisting of 2 Clever Coffee Brewers. Make sure to prep the Clever Coffee Brewers with the appropriate filter paper ahead of time. Now it's time to prepare the water. Similarly, the water heating process will be split into 2 sessions. Approximately 575 grams of water will be used each session, split between the 2 Clever Coffee Brewers. Heat the water to 92 degrees Celsius, and repeat this water heating process again for the second 2 brews. As the water is heating up, prep the brewers once more by depositing the 17.5 grams of coffee grounds into each brewer. Once the water is 92 degrees, carefully pour out 280 grams of water into each brewer, making sure to soak up all of the grounds. Place a lid on top of the brewer to prevent any aromas from escaping and let the brew sit for about 5 minutes. After letting it sit, extract the coffee from the brewer into a cup for another 5 minutes to allow for all the coffee solutes to be extracted.
Good coffee. Good bitterness and sweetness.